Today, we are going to talk about this particular work. This is a pastel portrait on chipboard. So this tutorial is going for the upcoming artist, whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist. With these little tips I'm going to share with you here is going to help you elevate your art to the next level. So if it's your first time coming across this channel, do well to subscribe and follow and stay tuned for more, because here this is what we do. we I teach basically for the upcoming artists. Are you afraid of pastel, or you don't know how you're struggling with pastel, you don't know the tune? With this little tips I'm about to share here is going to help you a lot. So watch this video and help me share too. Whether you are not an artist but you have anybody that love art, you can help me share the video or invite them to this channel. This is how we do. So starting amazing portraits like this, as you can see here, after putting on the color reflection and the color tune, basically I use brown, yellow, and a little white to create this effect on the face. You understand? You can see from the dark side, I use a darker brown, add it up with little red, then add another little orange to graduate the dark skin to the lighter face, as you can see in on this woman face. You understand? Then the reflection, the light, where you can see, if you can watch very well, you are seeing the reflection of a little bit yellow and white. So basically that's how I was able to create and graduate the tune as lights like this. So choosing the background of that lady, I use background on this thing. Moving to this next one, as you can see here, it is same thing. Basically, if you are drawing somebody that is dark and chocolate a little bit, you first of all should use dark brown, red, yellow, and white to graduate this tune. As you can see here, this is um a yellow, you understand, lighter yellow. So after applying it, you use your finger to blend it, just like I'm doing here. There you can see. So these are the thing that I'm talking about. So it is a gradual process. Keep trying. As you can see, I do love purple color in the background because it gives me more idea and it's bring more the details come out very well. As you can see on this picture, see how I was able to use charcoal pencil to create the face come out very well. So